In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the ignition starter switch on your Ford Focus. This will be located behind the trim of the steering wheel. Let's get started. We're going to remove the two screws on the bottom of the steering wheel cover. These should be T15 screws. In our case, they're going to be Phillips head. Remove the two screws. Using an 8mm socket, remove the 4 bolts for this lower kick plate. Remove the 4 bolts, pull straight down on the kick panel, and we're just going to lay this on the floor. Remove the T15 screw on the bottom of the steering wheel cover. Pull the steering wheel cover straight down. Remove it. Push on the tab and release the connector. Pull that out of the way. Push on the tabs and remove the ignition switch. On the ignition switch, there'll be these tabs on either side. When it's in the vehicle, push on these tabs, pull straight back, and remove the switch. Install the ignition switch, push straight in. You should feel it click into place. Give it a pull back, make sure it's locked on. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked in. Install the lower steering wheel cover. Push it up into place. Install the bolt at the bottom of the cover. Install the bolts into the bottom of the front of the cover. Snap the top cover into the lower cover. Do this on both sides. Pull the kick plate up. Get it into place. Get the bolt started. Go around and snug down all the bolts. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.